If you're experiencing a Workspace lock issue on Alteryx Cloud 2026, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you unlock your workspace and get back to your projects. Step 1. Identify the locked workspace. Check your Alteryx Cloud dashboard to identify which workspace is locked. Look for any notifications or indicators that show workspace is currently locked. Step 2. Check user permissions. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to unlock the workspace. If you are not the owner or do not have admin rights, contact the workspace owner or an administrator for assistance. Step 3. Refresh the page. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Log out and log back in. If refreshing doesn't work, try logging out of your Alteryx Cloud account and then logging back in. This can reset your session and potentially clear the lock. Step 5. Contact support. If the workspace is still locked after trying the previous steps, reach out to Alteryx support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the issue, including any error messages you received. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the workspace lock issue efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.